Wi-Fi icon can go missing from taskbar at times from your Windows 10 because of various reasons. Want to learn how to fix Wi-Fi icon missing from taskbar in Windows 10? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorial Spot. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll tell you 2 of the ways to fix it. The very first one is to open up your PC just like this. Now, you need to right click on this taskbar, click on Task Manager. Under this section, you need to scroll down and find Windows Explorer. As you find it, you need to click on Windows Explorer and then click on Restart on the bottom right corner. So you can see that it's being refreshed and it's being all restarted so that they can fix all of the missing icons from our Windows 10. As you enter finding your Wi-Fi icon on your Windows 10, you can click on End Task on the right corner. Now, the second method is again to right click on this taskbar, click on taskbar settings on the bottom, scroll down until this notification area. You can see select which icons appear in the taskbar, click on it. Now you can see that all of the icons that are presented from the notification area from top to bottom. So here under this network section, if it's currently disabled, you can click on the sliding bar straight to network and turn it off if you do want to turn it off, or even click on this sliding bar again to enable it. So you can see there's a Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar from now onwards. This is how you do it. And if it also doesn't help, you can restart your PC or have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.